Hello students, I am your Maths Yogi Samanto. Hope you are all well and safe at your home. Dear students, this is cell practice 2B from chapter large number. So get ready with your maths copy and your math book. Cell practice 2B, question number 1. Compare the following numbers and put greater or less in the circles. So dear students, you have to do what? You have to fill this. So putting greater than or less than. Dear students, first you watch the video properly. Okay, then write in your copy. And when you write by your pen. Question B. There is a number given, there is another number given, so you have to put greater than or less than. That means greater, that mean, is this number larger or is this number smaller than the second number? So what you will do, just see it. So just write the highest period of the numbers. So this is ones place or ones period, thousand period, lakhs period and crores period. So write the highest period. And similarly here ones period, thousands period, lakhs crore and crores period. So now just compare. Here 3 crore, here 8 crore. So obviously this is less than. So put less than sign. Is it clear? So what we will do? First write the highest period. Then compare 3 crore and 8 crore. So obviously this is less. That's why put here less than sign. Come to question number C. So first count and write the highest period. So what is the highest period? Just see here. I have written in this way. This is ones, this is thousand, this is lakhs and this is crore. Similarly here. Now just see here 6 crore, same, 8 lakh, 1 lakh. So 8 lakh is greater or less than 1 lakh? Obviously 8 lakh is greater. So put here greater than symbol. Okay, now question number E. So what is given? So what you will do first, write. But dear student, just see here I have written so many period just because, just see here, this is ones, thousand, lakh, crore. Here also ones, thousand, lakh, crore. So now compare 7 crore, 7 crore, same. So when the period will be same, come to the next period. 0 lakh, 0 lakh, this is also same. That's why we cannot say which is greater, which is less. Next 77,000, 77,000. So here this is also same. Dear student, just see here 91, here just see 3 and 8 different. That's why we write only the highest period. As here lakhs periods are same, thousand periods are same. That's why we are write the periods, thousand, lakhs. Now 007 and 009. So which is more? 007 is less than 009. So put less than symbol. So easy. Question number 2. Fill in the smallest number in the box to make the given statement true. Be very careful. You have to put a smallest number. Okay, so that the statement is true. That means here 74 and you have to put one digit. Okay, so that this number will be greater than this number. So smallest number, just start from 0. Just see here, if you put 0, what will be the number? 74,093. Here 74,486. That means this is greater but this number less. That means you cannot put 0. I repeat it again. If you put here 0, the number become smaller, but you have to put a number so that it will be greater. So if you put 1, that means 193. It is not possible because here 486. Next, if you put 2, 293. Obviously it is not possible. If you put 3, this is also not possible. But if you put 4, 493 and here 486. So now this is greater. So you have to put the smallest. Why smallest? Dear students, if you put 5, then this is also true. If you put 6, then this is also true. Okay, that means for so many digits that statement become true. But you have to take the smallest one. So the smallest one is 4. The smallest one is 4. Is it clear? Now question number B. So what you will put here so that this will be true. So taking the smallest digit from 0, if you put 0, this is not possible. Just see here, this is 7 crore, but this side I have to larger, because here less sign, that means this sign, this number will be smaller. Okay, so obviously as here 7, so if you put here less than 7, always this side will be more. That if you put here 7, just see 7 crore, but here 7 crore, 24 lakh, but here 0 lakh. This is not possible. So put 8. Now just see 7 crore is less than 8 crore. That means this is true. So answer will be 8. Okay. Now see. So here 86 crore. So you, what number you will put here so that this will be less? If you put 0, just try it for 0. 86 crore, 80 crore. Obviously this is true. Okay, dear students, if you put here 1, then it will be true. If you put here 2, then it will be true. But you have to choose the smallest one. So the smallest one is 0. Question number 3. Find out the smallest number and the largest number in each group. So how you find the smallest number and largest number? Just follow the step. So dear students, first count and write the highest period. Just write the highest period. Just count and write. Just see ones period, 1000 periods, lakhs period. So write lakh. Next, I have told that you have to write the period, not the place. Similarly, this is crore, this is lakh. Okay, this is lakh means this is lakhs period, not these 4 places lakh. Okay, so similarly for 68 this is lakh, for 4 this is crore. Okay, so among them smallest, so which is smallest? Obviously lakh will be smallest, then crore. Here 40 lakh, 48 lakh, 60 lakh. So the smallest one is this, and the largest one here crore, 4 crore, here 4 crore, but 0 lakh, but here 44 lakh. That means this is greatest or largest. So write the answer. The smallest number is this 40 lakh 0,000 004, and here the greatest number is, or largest number is 4 crore 44 lakh 44,444. Write each and everything in your maths copy. Question number 4. Arrange the number, or arrange the following number in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to larger. So what you will do? First, in the previous way as you done. Okay. So just write the highest period. Now just see which is the smallest. Ascending order, that is smaller to larger. So which is smallest? Obviously lakh is smallest. So first write this 77 lakh, this number. Then 3 crore, then 6 crore, then 9 crore. Okay, so the answer will be, or dear students, you can write in this way also. So if you see this, let's see, obviously here 0, this will be the smallest one, then 3, then 6, then 9. So either do this process or do this table. So the answer is this. First 77 lakh, then 3 crore, then 6 crore, then 9 crore. I hope that you have understood it. Next, question number 5. Arrange the following number in descending order. Descending order, that means larger to smaller. So what we will do? draw this table or just write the highest period. Okay, now from this table just see, you have to first find the largest one because you are arranging in descending order. So first 8 crore, then 2 crore, here 0, here 0, so you have to move to the next, you have to move to the next. So here 4 and here 6, so that means this is larger. Okay, so first one is 8 crore, then 2 crore, then 6, then 4. So write in descending order. So first 8, then 2, then 60, then 40. So dear students, I hope that you have understood today's class properly. If you have any kind of doubt, you please ask me and solve the left sums from question number 1 to 5 by yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.